a first time I did started on Facebook. But mom share that now to me share Abnaganis TV or YouTube and I said television station now more share. But and they call live on Facebook. I see in your messages all the time say you mo every mo. But and then they some beautiful, sexy ladies over here has said now. But when you make up no card or share and that is a Rose Gucci. Now torso. My name torso because today we're gonna discuss about friendship. Any sacrifices, any betrayal, you not our friends him, and then you become home at some. Many penny pa be of your high, your friend Mr. Daniel on in a year penny our Matka Entertainment. And our face so we Rose Gucci has say Rosie's warehouse. And our face so our own Chick Kuto, Kisha, and the young of your high, then yeah better change come Alpha program so baby be a piano. To me, I send you comments or views. Any also watch now for you come and say, Mommy, I call Baba program so.
Yeah.
Now I'm ready. Free program be a seno, and I saw buffer happen. Yeah, that's a sister about. Now maybe I say, your cast of friendship. What is friendship?
Friendship, yeah, be a would you say about 1 month time here. Sana me define
Sana will be defining friendship. Dan, what's right?
I think the friendship here will be a because only if you boom. Okay. Movement we are so man who say require you say me call her. The case be a me phone call for an be a you could locate me say Hannah. As I say, now say I don't follow be a on no share some is your own there's nothing like secrets.
Okay.
As I say, now for a man will say, oh yeah, no, so
and then I get a come and say, oh, be home, a chasm. And a mommy. Also, what do you think about friendship?
Send me we are friendship, we are there. So, if you are down for, you have to be able to trust the person a little, not all, but a little with some of your secrets, so that a china as a meeting, but you be a one name. I trade the SMC and I said, if you are result by they are not only what us at that time. That is what I call friendship.
Okay, that is what you call friendship.
Yeah.
Now, your best friend I agree with you and for force to me, and when you focus on your secret is your power. And it's all my downfall, so a whole secret to be rare. Sometimes in that home, I be generated betrayal and I ever come once and never mind. And also, it's me hard into Obeka say, yeah, so far down for women know from A to Z, everything about you. Now, it's a woody panel, you don't have any secrets. Is it good?
Family when you're good, family when you're good, which is a name trusting people. As I say, over trust and over come as a natural, who's your person be? It's me personal, me shouldn't be an enforcer. Answer na many will be close no. We studied for a long time, very long time. No one's okay. We pass me no. One have begin one here who me here. Because I assume it's a crowd. Not to that friend come for, and I be a say, what's the man? That's all this study who me come.
Okay.
Answer. What come as back we me no channel. That's MPN one's okay. We do not trust him. Leave me on trust.
You know, they trust.
So over trusting for the son.
Then
For sure.
We still have people that you bet Maka say we better trust him.
Yes.
Sir, Mammy was still Ginny Paddy.
With Ginny Paddy, to say first name is 60-40. Gideon money pan me 60%. Na Gideon minimum near 40. And they say I have 40-60. Because and all kinds of Gideon. I will say a downfall so no. Ultimately, allowing Emma will trust him. Also, ultimately, who said, "The secret I want on a very safe and what I say." But I say, Nipan in friends na yenyano, and one young kitty bintino. Who brabo umpire na we ye dear ban, who nip time I will brand, but abano dear, we ye dear ban, need the anis or better so. Internutino, say, idea, and Camedia, and mention with secret, anyone down for.
Okay. Rose is here and Cornelia and Kayamos we share with secret anyone down for. And come and me anyone down for. A bad secret now, Katrina me. Never a chill and a young comrade there. Nanny on what down for no ashable because Nipa any. na ye be ko ye ka sacrifice a niam bebre na manfo bi eye de man nanfo but at the end of the day no na omo yi nipa no ama wotimi ye papa bi kwa na ase akọ wie ubone eti ne ye bebisa se wadamfo se ye ka se friendship se de omo kan ye se ti se nia eti me fa ne se mafo bi se nia na se me ni me kunu ejai ana me ni me boy ejai a right se madamfo na so ye me nia na o standing for me no anopa ne enumere o kwan se wo se one no etwempna ana so omo hyehye ho ye wia na aba betrayal no ni se so obeye dia na ti se wo yiwa ma because this is somebody you call your sister or brother and to what comment be also betimi e dey aba show no so papa eye se wadamfo x e ba be ye wo dofo se say
okay the minimum say also your couple boy yes no obo be man no bo ba no chance of we ni me film be man can say we ni me film padie and o dey bo ba right nti it could be say bia na wo ko asumesi nchen e be na nye ne film padie na yawo what is nti won work
okay
what is nti ne say bia mo breki na say so ye no for na say bia na me wadamfo no na me say me film padie na ha na wa I think say there's obedience me say right and I say right.
Okay.
What I say?
Now to you need the all cast yes, yes.
To me they think
yes, want to meet you down for kunu and answer.
To me say yes one gino so can say X.
Yeah, well more say kaba. Now we talking about X no. The real obi so ho no na ekoba wo. Ti me ka just say boy way and the girls and I got chill boy ni obadi. And to be come no na ni hihye.
Okay.
So this kind of people no are they real?
Ni na can be see the can say now for who is your friend. It's not concept trust. What I say? Your ma service ma or the boyfriend number on from Madam because of the man a problem.
Mr. No one are the babo. And then you will go map be
good.
And you know new boyfriend but the moment that's what we call something like social media.
Good. And you know, I didn't understand. It's need na call baby see trust. We trust Madam we trust my boyfriend. Some boyfriend not from a chink from Madam. There's no way yes or yes. To one down for some boyfriend by a corner. Someone say, what boyfriend say no can show me and I say, but I think so would dear bro.
Oh dear.
When you say be am but fan say be would dear bro in the first place. If you should a bearman, if you can wash that. Better be so here.
Okay.
Didn't I trust?
Trust done me, but and I'm not do at my rollers. SCD are not real. Only the dreams are down for obey are not when you're real. Your friend Pong, share is a CIA that was say. Some more entry, so share, your friend Pong, Quapon, share. I do see Isaac share, Quapo, Intibane, so share, and Aquasi Junior, brother, what's up, and Hilly Hills, share, and 20 other people. Yet I must see a patch on from comments, and bra, not yen to accommodate. So Rose Gucci was again I can't found.
Well, the American phone is saying the meaning of America is Bema film Padiana, they bow back. It's Ebiana Bema, Madame for now, Befan, Ebiana, your film Padiana, Madame for film Padiana. And means Madame for Untini can't change so new boy a giant meeting dating, meditating. Because ya wonama ena nyame ambonama ebi kra na na emiku be nyame ehihye ena ma ne be na wo madam fo ni so ena me be hu no mu jai no na me ni ho sa na bia mu ka bom na me nsu ni ho e wo difference be brave first example ni say be ma no ebi kra wo shia na wo mpene na me yese pini a it will be so hard for me say me date sir I will never go in for a guy like that.
Rose ebi no mo so ye
that is very bad.
Jano, wait, what is it? It's over.
And now bet me I can say.
Yes,
no.
I dream behind
that is it.
But you know, sometimes it just happens.
It happens.
You understand? If you only need a giant, what they are way to kind of cushion. Or can't issue a see about some relationship material. What that for no say making points plan, say you only know on the part, apply a friend or part, or we are seeing the non pen.
Only say Obi to me, Obi done down for Ama. Or Phyllis fine, the ex-boy dating down for a fan of a sign or dry
or man. But me, no media, me make catch me, I'm one person I will come and tell you, say, okay, as soon as you say, me, dear, me, you. But so who feel this because if you are not certain, no, I am a boy. Or tell us, if you are certain, one which room, or no one, you'll be a minute, make us say you, Matia, or bet me a woman. And yes, and it's a casse moon. But if you're now a boyfriend and someone who needs our
maybe so question we said yeah who go who will be the now will say and then they name how because I count I should be your quine. Once I come with down outside by any year Juma. Now see you quine never come with you know who do you about. No, me can't so much you. Say I can't deal with me to home. I say issue about name found. Take friends and I am for home, which is yes. No, I come over the wood ya. No, I serious, let's be real. Anyone on the air so jam, I think, on in a woman, and then but you're obiting you be 10 years. But before Nippon Moose and a crown. Because only must say, a be a Nippon on in a 10 years. Girls are finding in a lie. If you get 10 years, or cook,
as I said,
what best thing about?
Also, sometimes you look at the situation. The situation will make you do it or not. For instance, if you are not in the one, so what show will say, boy, wait, a 2,000 years, for no be penny back obey. If you are no one, or so what show will say, boy, wait, so you just make a pagina and be oh, yeah. You see the difference?
Okay. And now, no, we have friends, what we see, I will tell you, one in a namo, our boyfriend. Let's even take husband and wife aside, or boyfriend and our girlfriend. One way chat, not so any chatting. This kind of friend will find it out of anything. Mekunu. Ubekunu.
Ekuje want to me. But over mebua.
Now they know who I
have.
Remu.
On any chatted or comments.
One more chimp now wouldn't. And this kind of man
for two different things we are talking about here. It's different from Onine Jai. And now many war. And it's different from Onene War. Now so and
now one more example. And I remember say we have friends who are Onine Jai. Now we talk about friendship. It's anything that my friendship will say, and I hear discussing. Oh, how no boy ninja you guys are together. Oh, when real quick, oh, fine. Raya, oh, Sammy, and yo. Now what you and this friends, you know, who to me, Pio, because I'm quite sorry. But I don't finish a walk club.
Yes.
Oh, but now why not it? But that was when you say, only who show, no, it's on no boy in the dark. It's this kind of person when anything. When you
Who do you know? Who couldn't so do the Upa by a money? Yeah, but it wasn't in our Kobaka.
And I know where you're cool crap.
In our Kobaka, because see one word they you know trust.
Trust.
One thing, hard to trust. As I said, but some of them for know, me girlfriend chatting. That's a boy now, so know for a chat here. One dangerous. Okay, because maybe say, guys, why didn't you know what that was?
I'm the pointing our boy Nakasa in the first place. No, what that for me.
That's what I'm asking.
Forget it, that is men.
But me not chat, but I didn't know.
It's a friendship about mama and men want to say ma.
That's the thing.
It's a magic to miss Pandia, but Obama to me. Obama who about who about Bokra. None of my sorry. On phone sending mammy. On phone sending ya. That's something I'm going
but
please. It's a Germany,
no,
wait, a
baby.
No, and me, my dear, and it takes us over to me worry 10. But Obama is entitled to just one.
Fine, and meaning me who be that.
What will be the worrithness? Well, as a what feeling? I think you're okay as a what from.
Oh, send a crab, okay. Which Marco shows another program, another covering. Which me from several times, which me from say, I like you. No, I can't do what I can. You you understand? It's then only who into a cancer. Or baby will be over pound. Ebi who said out here, Ebi or Cabia or them. And as a motor snow tell soon should be a whom are the open. When your poor will also be room we are. Ebi can and your pet and I love people being an old.
Okay.
What I say, or because of you unity. Or because they be an away and yet the opening. Ebi and a boy no so ban, even and your one or show no showing. And I took a talent.
Exactly. On that note, me will be personal experience
okay,
just
sure.
a short while.
Sure.
Madam would be no only obi shishaho. And now she made us aware say Nipano. Excuse me to say on any BBA Kaninga on Ganida. Me, I don't have a what Ganidia, me there's no way, but only in your that means you guys have been dated. I call it dating if only somebody baby. And to know, not so in Yashi. Maybe some madam for the same patch. Oh, BB stays here because madam for no, Menino was our level now, so Nini per 100 in poor. I be with so easy my. It's like if you came and you told me, say, one in a year, she not say, so at that point of my life, I needed somebody like that man.
Okay.
To be in my life.
To be there
so
for
I
you.
accept it.
Okay. And Yabeko Facebook kakra Magna Elizabeth also will share that was Ensu Michael Pachua Lisa Efia Sika GH. Also next time invite me. Okay, Yabema Wabasi Daniel Adu any Oba Akusia Popia or Munina ever programming Robert Kelly Munina Mosimoshe. You was what you cast a friendship cry then Nasa Okas Obi a friend as Miniano Ekase Obi a wadam for that is a unia. Utimi any unia na Okas uniano. Utim Nenem Pana Anani Kunu Etrimpana. And also etching and no Yabekasa efa sacrifice on near my be a yetimi a year. Edema you now for now a good because you have to sacrifice so much for your friend rather than Ubiko Yobunia. You're betraying now. But now we're talking about friendship, any betrayal, a man no in see any man is see children. I'll be sending me personal message or say, Abna Bohobiona, any man on one a man in our and the person I'm talking about is also watching. Hey, Papa, which will be up say, yeah, can a woman more home. Okay, a Billy somewhere easy for say. Or watching live in AC. Okay, to wait in the comments name Yama Abba. Rose, you can sacrifice her. What is sacrifice?
Sacrifice, yes, I one expect to say obey Yama downfall.
Okay.
For example, if you are no down for be cheating, and maybe any boy be a baby singing fee. Waiting a jide your way in our sacrifice, ya be fee, and not me a free me as a Mr. Madame from the crowd the hospital into the whole children and I like just be there for the person as money who say like be able to me account mama, wait me mama, who come mama be I dear free or come I'm will be and a sacrifice.
A sacrifice. Danny, sacrifice. Then I'll be can't you can't sacrifice her. I didn't know they can't find
Well, sacrifice. I think that all sacrifice one down for one here, one Obusia, and now what a microphobia between at town, one common to us, and then friend sacrifice. Because
I didn't do.
Yes, fancy be a tea, for some no, maybe we are friend for you, here, give you. And yes, I will be a son to be 2 a. Also, he has some may I do what I say. Which time me person me took up akwohwe no ana ma akwa ya de kono mama.
Okay.
Obaka sadia san. Mama nko but I feel say a good friend. To me sacrifice it doesn't matter say then me from say then or say me kohwe na me save situation for that moment.
Okay.
What I say if you have the means say me to me do was any problem.
Okay.
So what I say.
Auntie, would you sacrifice so much to make a friend happy rather than yourself?
It depends.
It depends how.
It depends because who is that friend you're talking about?
Sometimes you have to. Sometimes you really
that is why I
have
say
to.
it depends.
Yeah, you really have
Who
to
is that friend
sacrifice
you're talking about?
Somebody who you know say the person will be there for you in that sense. Because you should know who you sacrifice for and who you don't. Most of the time, yeah, most of our friends come to us with a smiling face. They come to you and they laugh with you, they do everything with you, but at the end of the day, you will know say would they sacrifice 1 or 2 instances be money for not say do 10 now. Nipa call sacrifice in the same sense, mama. That is when you know say. That is when you know say. That is when you know say you have a friend. So what I say.
Okay, and me sacrificing my will be or sacrificing. I will sacrifice for someone who has never in her life, his or her life, done anything like with love for me, just to prove you wrong, say. And I wouldn't fake what I say. I would do it willingly. Anyone who say yes, me power. I down for and I send the door down for it. Me yes, I do. Make sure I did be our I'll just do it for you.
Okay.
Say the way I'll be say I'm a true friend. And I wouldn't fake.
Okay. Your messages, Kakra, I wanna say. Nana kuna do Ajimai Rollins. I'll say you just cut it short with such a friend, and I will just leave the man because he's not worth fighting for. And Onwa Asanya Trosi, a friend is someone worth dying for. It's a friend that wants me Engina Emmanuel. It's not a friend. You just have to cut the person short. And Quintilly also looking good as always. Kunama Evelyn, so watching, Nana Tutu Brimpon, honestly say watching. And then Lily say you have a nice topic today. Keep it up. Thank you. Now we're going to talk about betrayal. Betrayal. What are some of the things that what I'm forbidding me? I am man a show. I'm more I don't like you feel say I can't. You can never forgive. There are some things I end up say every day. I send it to your macra. But there are some things that I don't put to me the year. Like a can't code deep say you can never ever forgive this person. Betrayal. Dan, what do you think say I don't forget me? I am man a cow suma. You can never forgive this person.
Okay. And I forget me. I never really. Let's like we can begin, you know, a personal experience.
Okay.
What to know be idea, what to make do whom now be a what dream will be a dilechi. I've won with your ideas and everything. The personal experience, let's say, many madam for be a maybe over.
Okay.
And almost every month we have driver from I had to come out 5 times.
Wow. Sure, I'm aware.
Abena, you are aware of this.
I'm aware of this.
And you know, sebi. I'm not saying semi whoever done the person, but you're still seeing young time. I said, I mean, believe in those things. But the me who say I don't know, you understand? Because when I get to Kumasi, I see share a year, Jumana, Obi I want to mention my name. And I realized that he didn't like it. So I said, and he did something, I mean to me come out.
Yeah.
And then who said this is what we call betrayal.
Okay.
It was serious. Because we jam a Lucia, Nima Jumo, all because I want to do something and make sure it's not, and I was part of it. Okay, as a friend. Every month, me took a cook 5 times.
Yeah.
But all these things, you know, well, when you know, as some more kind, you know, so they come on, I will be able to say why, and eventually,
yeah.
You see,
So,
but all the same, you know, if I'm okay, fine, this is one of those things. And me, I don't do anything in life and regret. That is how I'm psyching home. Me, never regretted that. My year, what kind? Okay, fine. I wanted to do it, and my year. But so fine, let's forget it.
So let's
move on. So as I say, you never be brave, your discussion, your holding, your ideas, near the at the end of the day, no, maybe get to be some corner.
Was it Okajini girl now? No, foul baby and okay. This is what we are also talking about.
I'm for whom in the chair say, when you go by, say if I want to say the story, any problem.
No, don't say the story here because it's alleged.
To me, it's not alleged. To me, yes.
But no, I don't want it.
But I'm not going there. The thing is, yeah, you'll be quiet. Music video. Yeah, will be quiet. One music artist. And I didn't know quiet. After that, or say, not or dream say. See, I said you not or dream say. You never get no beer. Maybe go to myself. You come and say,
yeah, sure, I know.
Okay. Do you know take care of yourself for her? You do baby, no young fan here, and I'm saying, or chair, quite been some for her, was a planning here. Can't be put any to me for her. It's ever for Nibu philosophy can. For an what say, I say, no video, what to say, Tema, come to 25, but we're inside. What have you done? Swallow for Obomo Road, no Jawa on our field, over no get to way back home. Music was with the just for left, right. Until I was thinking, so now dream say many as soon as you would be a keke. We feel Jumana together as a friend. When I come to Kumasi, I sleep in hotels. It got to a time where it's okay, fine. We are friends. Mommy know if you were Charlie Poch Cramada, I did charm my children and I was doing that. Well, you know, and there was something else. Obi over TV so yes, baby. And sorry to say, me cousin compare going to be in power.
I know, right?
You understand?
You be their friend.
Apart from everything, no, I have my wife, and everybody in Kumasi knows that I have a wife, and I have 3 kids.
So why cheating?
I wasn't cheating for anything.
So what are you talking about? So why cheating?
If my uncle I know about also
why cheating?
What is it? 7. Ma, we, and I'm the kind of experience, no. I thought I would have been between the people.
No, but people are manning quick.
No, some person may chest about to be so why fight with somebody or another girl? Fine. At the end of the day, the men I didn't become welcome. 7.
Okay.
7 baby. I don't mind what cry.
How may you go?
I'm coming to make the number.
In natural sense, and I'm also kind of who
that's the thing.
Oh,
So what are you talking about? My introducing family and someone will be I'm introducing change So what is this? Into all these people in the audience, I know maybe now.
So you call this
is a pure betrayal.
This is a betrayal you're talking
pure
about.
Betrayal.
Okay, I call Yanfani say level 600. You understand? Level 600. Now, excuse me. We're talking about the ankle or madam for level 600.
Okay.
Now, me find so what now? Me find is Kisha and a Kisha body level 600. And the level 600 say, sister, make sure me more chill on one. I put the phone yato. Call by ya, I say, kick. Some of them have short memory. You have no idea. Say your two numbers in good. They are very good. Because call neighbor, it comes with a number. No, I fact. Oh, call ya sister. Oh, could date ya, could you dear not pay.
Aha,
no one claim yourself go. Oh, go claim it you. I
just don't get it.
You cheap worker, then I'll farm. You will have a home for the brain. When you say, oh, Baban Hokana and Panaba today, she's with a coffee, additional Nico, additional out a farm. And those people, no, do you know what? Those people also, or man, no one, a boy, no one. Uncle, they're not uncle. This friend, I could say, Obia, Kaya, your friend said, Obia won't buy your pep waffle. Ne helper for God. If you're not waffle or be wario, I don't want wario or your waffle being a million amount. What I was saying, also one caho. And it's a one kahona. And when I hear Jano. Or say no, Judas. Is it good? This kind of friend. Can you call them your friends? Can you be friends with them again?
No. I'm not sure I can. No, I'm not sure I can be nice to such a person because as I said, me Jia, I was so to me but if you let the person come and use me and come and use you, I know that mommy go if you know. Okay, can you to me a dibi papa mawa? And can no obey okay, kaka. But I call a papa say, near was a wunya, near was all soon, no sooner. Now, Muni and Yamamudi. A better one soon, Yamamudi.
Ade you din na ye dem you would
na so pego e bia na wo bo mo de no bo no mo de o ko no ko sha ko se mo de mbo na wo bo nko anye re o oji wa ha ye be na odin
it waka ko chi
yes e bi nso ana ye sanity
it is search friend oba anything oba bu na say see mama kwan say they are be fire search friend one word used for that friend
oh me mbo me no bet now I will make sure I get evidence to show what I'm coming to talk to you about. And I have one friend, no boy, no, or printy. I don't be sending naked pictures. Yes, yeah. I they know what I'm talking about. They don't forget be sure be one fine. Yeah, don't forget question naked pictures with messages. And I papa printy naked pictures, messages in the brain, or the brain. I don't forget when I say. Tell your friends you should stop sending me such kind of messages.
This is the kind of man. Yes. This is the kind of man I'm talking about. Yes. Obema onim di obe. Wahu. Eya montan screenshotting. Efa ko man girls. Exactly. The man didn't trouble me man. Exactly. Obe ko be kase wo no ne ka na cho. So ko no ne compare.
Mama me think papa me
because when you have evidence you can talk.
Printing it out to the bread girl. So it ended up like Obi or war around the situation. We are got to know the truth.
Behind everything that was happening.
Later, she came out saying in the story, said, oh, no, ni money that. But according to what the man said, no, so on Shiani ever in his life.
It's only one that correct.
It's open he wouldn't go as far as printing your naked
because open a girl.
Open a girl.
Open a girl.
So there's trust.
Open a girl.
Into BBC crying, I didn't cry and one down for crying.
Oh, me, I will sit you down and tell you this or the man said blah blah blah. I will show you everything and I tell you never to talk to me again. Remember, point blank, me we are not walk you out. That's what I would do.
But I think our program here and then you're talking about friendship. Any sacrifice they get any man now for. We never can now for many sacrifice. War sacrifice is so huge for a friend. But later part in that day, yeah, can't betray about better to. It's Yemia, Kisha, and it was Gucci, and a Matka Entertainment, and Penifoni and your Mofia. Yet to change more a fat and summer air personal. All views via obeting Edia, but you're very ready. Churches or say anyone that secretly competes or compares their lives with yours are not friends. I agree with you. They are not friends. They just want to make sure you don't get further in life without them moving forward.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you so much. O comments way mean so much to us. Lawrence Aduma is watching. Nana Kwame Poku is watching. Ya Ajman and the K Safo SOC or Nana Kwabina Boatin so share. Ubetimi a share of view. Na yebe ready yet what a drain na ye na ye dia boy ya prabo na ye bisa say adam for cry anyone if you know what friendship is I'll bet ma send the aba na yebe ready na area you can sacrifices or you sacrifice be madam for me and now obi I end with the betrayal we're talking about say you funny say only a boy and a this guy does everything for you and wa down for kroya. You can't say one thing. One thing. Hey, one thing.
Savage.
One thing. What kind of one thing? Other than this, routine other. Now, Hima Shimuka have I can say. Me call I has say. And I'm only moving pick. What should I say? This friend is giving you heart attack because the more people talk about your relationship, no, get it fed up. I say, and that boy anyway or anyway. Size one thing, no, come no because. You are somebody. Yes, so you are Casado, Mr. Mano, and Casado. And then the Kwame are top iPhone and mommy. Watching her or the milk or deep lunch. At the chair. No, Rose, maybe. What was the Bible class here soon and see? I'll see the new one. There is a word in the Bible as a much just because at Moyano. As a more now or 10 someone, as a good friend, they can fair. Some couldn't say. Let me catch you rose is a rose inside the menu. Cause a rose to cry in the no boom. And so young we are all come baby and manufacture. What make you say you are two? We have been no you are bravo. Yes, I'm why you need some more rain. Adding. This kind of backbiting is like and why backbiting is killing us.
It's like that's when it's I realized something in life. We are at the bay.
You don't, those people, they don't even move, they don't go for it in life.
Never.
They don't. They keep.
Never, yeah.
Yeah, we are at the bay, or I did that whole. Because Obi are not expecting him to the bay, or no, the bay, or manaya we are.
Of course.
Yes. This kind of backbiting is too much. Backbiting a bro, so I then. And ka F sa yon ko. Yes,
me personally, I did about a part of me. Me to me, I said, make my boyfriend who has a watch madam. I am me will be a mini baby, me boy home come. No, make like,
yeah, Bible. Who be a Bible? We have to take Peter. What's Peter? The boy never quiet. Hey, no about some. What trying to say
about for woman trust
no, but you know sometimes
it's crazy.
Sometimes you need. I told myself never to trust anybody again, but I realized that sometimes you need one or two people to call a friend to give you some wine.
Keisha, these people you are calling friends, do they also take you as friends?
That's the thing.
This is what we should know.
Even when they come, not even a topic where it's not really about their girlfriend or it's even in relationships.
Everything.
You understand? Because you might trust somebody so well to say, okay, I deal with it. There's no way this person is going to do to you. That's all they yes.
In this case, Safo or say nice topic. Rita Boatima is watching, or Hima Yeboa is watching. Latifa Yakubu, Idi Mubarak, or is it how? That's how they call it. Sweetheart, or Chameba Sunya Berryman and why. Also, share and Daniel Adu and other people too. They shared our video. Thank you so much. What comments be Chira Kwabena is watching. I salute you, Daddy. I hope so you are fine. We're talking about friendship, we're talking about sacrifice, and we're talking about betrayal. And so who experience Anna Bibia, please bring your comments and views me so be helping a lot today. And young brass will say like a juma me fan say me ma konye juma. And this is a juma na me na boa me pao. Let's take the industry. Yes. That's where all the shit are. Let's take the industry. Now, sorry, but let me use it because it's real. Let's take the industry. Say, Mema Koma Koye Juma, oh, be a Keisha director and producer. and I know say Rose is so a talent in the back. Rose ain't me and yet a Jumani because you don't know anybody. And this life you need links. Obi na beso won sade you can never make it without Obi
someone. No.
Now di nipa na ko ho na fe nipa na ko no ko you afi. And this thing that on he understands because he's in the industry, it happens. Wo wa kwa na ko na hotel so no. One pi on ma un pi ka wa tran chen yo. Wo be peja fi wo to opia. Opia wa ka ape. When in na say wo be yi akonya ya ma way. Ama wo to esi form. And these things keep a continue na esia. Afufro na eba no ye show some benya moa. Jan, we are sure because obo ha ye dey now must say no. The person doesn't trust anybody on this earth.
What I do, what I think, I say, once we are small, Yankopo and a beer.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Once I tell me, as soon as you come in, almost a beer can be, I think, some of personal experience.
Sure.
Okay. Because way back at Chapa, you compared to go baby. And I'm prefer for Eddie Campo. They are calling just a young brother saying, I'm fine. And your coffee now for me to become. You could do on. Omudi can do a fancy you could do. Meanwhile, say Gina Junction, say a chum, say your Omudi can do. You do on your phone, you giant. I mean, dream was and then a man you didn't cry me from it's in the new to me dream. What I say?
So now you wouldn't do it.
That's the thing.
And now say you are for front, Obisum, El Shira, and then the blessing should be some more. Yes, you can't see with the I mean,
but we do 2 meetings, I was okay. Sanko, we so be so kind of who you know, catch him and require. Tell them you come here far with me, they are 2 meetings. Now, me do 2 meetings, I mean, for be a hobby.
Yes.
Let me just move on. Say, you can't see any part 2 come on, I still have to do it.
Okay.
Because I join me yesterday, one, and I will do some call.
Okay.
It is hardly be an baby, talk about them, yes, for the Shabbat. Like I said, maybe I'm not being a few
oh, yeah, if you are winning opportunity to do a dream so for Bibra, now Kapacha was down for us or the new one. I don't see what is wrong with it.
Yeah,
the wrong in it is what I'm telling you right now. And you say because of what people have been through, no. It's hard to say now.
It's no opportunity now.
This is what we're talking about. Safwan that had what you
exactly.
And I do be open. I to say Obama or bar a hand pain. And so when you're misreading for you feeling more. And Mark of just seeing the enemies.
Yes.
He makes sure so Betsy will be a come from head to head. So now maybe touching a come over so you okay. So that is what life is about. It's do we like we should keep on doing this to others, our friends, our sisters, our brothers. I can say your brothers no more a friend of friends. A sacrifice. I don't know keep doing this to us. You can send your comments and we will read it. Or say you people are too much and NSK Safo. And Nana Kuno my Rollins. Because I don't know. Topic where I said, come on, say that's witchcraft, my dear. No. Hey, baby, or baby.
You know, sometimes me, my parents will be a mommy, and what say, 9%. I think those don't confirm in your man, they will know the kind of person I am. My catch will say anything, I always want the people around me to do the things that they feel comfortable doing for me. I mean, pet, if they obey their nature, now be me. Now, I mean to me, I mean, show. Because me, a do some may I honestly make to me, I am make a show. Mean to me, and so I make a show. So I say,
what's the meal to say? Personal experience back when I say,
okay,
me brother, we didn't achieve me. And then your contract, the one big station we have to with this.
Yeah, sure.
And see, on that, your father now spending on over employee, the purpose about 10.
Okay.
The public corner come on in more different place. Omuko do on a call boss of so as soon as he the crana. Tamani was a criminal crown and I'm a chin, so you can't have a chin. Yeah, sir. Okay, any position, any engineer from home, no more measure was it. And it happened. Intimated to me, and say, hey, I done 4 pounds to me, say, fine. You're free home, baby, I'm here, you must say. Okay. Now, or more, baby, no me do a different place, and a contract we buy.
Okay.
One big station. And all my friends say, you must say, we never say, do a shower, sir. Now, fun for 4 for so to me, you want to never be a very fun. And all fun, the purpose about 8 to 10. And as I know from one, they say, we do a different place, or fun account, to move jail. nobody
And let's take it like unknown and all the other phone air copy.
Yes.
Okay.
Into Kudo no check boss and say we answer we are so to me no so I met me oh na so me cry you ha come na me chill say and also sir and yes what there
I see saving part no onim nipa ne that he just make that comment.
That's the thing no so ni boss me say there me no how say me na me chill na dey say it you know I met me on no call him me boy no so sir
so in other sense he's trying
and yes at the end so are you going to be comfortable are you going to be comfortable so when be you be shana say na and the engine post in from no
wow
and then they did it into do baby bedroom me see ya no and do me so yam for obimbra na so I have a friend some time back no oboa me yam kwa ha no ya like or chem 1 or 2 bi ni ade ntia na me friend number na me man assassin and say my brother no onya some experience we of past yeho into no me do go kwa say ko introduce if you go and play that thing you need to be but come jaba so how now can know how to talk.
Okay.
The so someone know how to talk. It's good sir. We come just many but it take us about I think 3 to 4 months and some men ban about them just look how now come men you want so ban na every brother need need
yes I did
we ban be mistake my mom so I she but I say my brother then he wanted to do a lot but in that now say Charlie you want to go sometimes you need to tell the people so master be careful me pesa one can go division the
yes
maybe the other say 2 things that say me can and I forget me come on
okay but yes also
yes me for some can and I say me come on so me do life money come
na only be ya can
no me no to
no like only
to me
yeah
so drink when you better see no ma uhia me no da
yeah
yes
me ba go ta me dey
onya what be
because no we are doing something about because you check
idea you make sure you keep it away from that person yeah and it goes I say it come back to yeah because opportunity and kobenya wa won chain on one or blocking opportunities
yes
okay.
So sometimes it just pays to be real to yourself.
That's it.
Okay, Osai Safo Solomon, Sampini, Omunina, Eshe, Efri, B, Messi, Apandu Lawson is also watching, and Efia Sapon is watching, Augustine Ofair is also watching. More comments, Embra, Na, Yen, Ridi, and Mamu. And so what's last words when our country or more showing about friendship? Kisha.
Oh, me, dear, me. Friendship is something you can't do without, but I think that we should know how we just work with each and every person that you meet in your life. You sit back, you relax a little, no way steady in panic.
Okay.
No one who do it only part. But also to me who say Madam Fiona said this particular person this is how I have to work with the person. And so the person no one make sure so nipa no no be nanti was our crime, snebe ya. Say nipa no hu hia wa, unko lusu na na say unko ya de be action ebe di bone. That is what me I know say in kayeni ya da for na say ye tifie bu mu a ye ni ye ho ye ya can say ko ye ho ni ye ho ye dey and auntie just be true to yourself. That's all. That's all I know to yourself. Be true to yourself.
Also
me so kakra me kan say uni obi na no ye wan dan for mani hu de o penny de o mpe oya de enya bobo wa dwen kire me ubetia na etia no next time no no nanti a onim de no be sifa ne wa nanti ba wo di ne ma hihye o mu na wo ye se bibia o ye okay bibia o ye okay a one day obey wa de wan ha be no medru kra ku into woni wa down for na ma now person say na for ne real to you
especially just be real to the person at the same a screenshot adi action that no aka wa adi action no we I will say make wa down first but I don't want you anywhere around my man
yeah
and no next time no chimbe wo to me bu na na to me
and no area you the bear na so go ye be for
no
on them to close around your man but obesuma na say who do say your friends do have friends
yeah of course
yeah
e be cry to me
what down for so what down so what
or try say o me boy ebe ma na down for you or try like or your introduction keke ba no obo no pese me boy no kwa de o pese kan nya o no na down no to me yes
what me and na make am so we just have to be careful
and then your advice be na down for the be ma o boy ma obeti ebi wa o kan obu okro onimu boy no e be the previous relationship onima dey boy independent dey on pay but otufu say you say yeah, the whole wakuma payment na say.
Me every relationship be ama me ko me yen ya me pe o.
Yes,
maybe yen ya me ma pe e ba kwa ya e yen ya ma se.
When it by man interwatiti na enam de wadan for the kan say
It's not in the
not in the na the dey so nyo not in.
Obekom na sin.
To adam for one adam for so mo am pe mo boys no. Mo ma madam for musa me boy ni me pe no no chantro me pe sika na me ji edi na so ni we na wa ko madam for na we man so it be real what you are saying.
Okay, I think say me I guess say me share the adam for it is that say me try can be because me free new free collaborate me no me come ni mo dey friends say me come madam for fee me go for na be fee it do na me say me go say madam for na say but I think say me and like you know, you need to talk to some people. There's only one person I meet to Michael Madam for. Michael Brown brought in, I think he's a friend, he's a partner, he's a brother, he's everything. Okay, sometimes I don't know the beginning you know thing you will be say, okay. Emma at me done to you understand? If 2 days ago you're going.
Okay.
But because I said corner you're going for the sedinty.
Okay.
You pay one. It is a deal in Kutao, and then you know, no more. Other countries, madam, and found some madam for no one, as I say, a some moon now. Nobody in my life, in the between my cousin, naturally.
Okay.
Because my mom said, because me, Adam, for over them, I can't be crutching.
Okay.
To account, about to me, I can't, my you know, name said, meet here.
So in natural sense, now, as I said, sometimes you need one or two.
You need one or two people. But to me, I think that one person is okay.
It's enough. Okay.
One person is okay.
Remember, one person now will find two Adam for.
For sure.
So what are you talking about? So, because most friends, that is one bad thing about it.
Good.
What friend is the best friend? What can't
That is why you need to trust the person before.
Exactly.
You know what
I'm saying? And him I will feel say about outside how. That's what I think you should tell a friend.
Good.
The things you think say 10% better and you problem no.
Sure.
And only you can tell your friend about it.
Okay.
It took time before say
that
as
one or
friends.
two people now. And my who say one thing we do one
exactly.
That is what I'm saying. So if you have one person here, you know something what I say because here become boom, we have a lot of business here boom together. It is said we need to pay idea. Or no whom before now you share who from. He studied me for a while. You know, it's okay, this person I think say or you're the right person to work with. And I'm also behind my margin said I'm also making it's okay. If this guy the real person I meet you now. It was no be yesterday in Yonko. And we got together and it was okay. I think say we are meant for each other. So let's do this together.
Yeah. Okay.
So he's my partner in crime. We do everything, you know. Michael.
Michael, you say your partner in crime. Your messages do Jay Boateng is watching. Michael Brown Boateng is watching. That's Michael, hey, Michael Brown.
Oh, Michael.
Shout out to you. Why?
Then he had just a nice topic because he was very
nice topic. And then Nana Kunodo to my Rollins. Nana Kunodo. One thing we should know is that we do good to glorify our maker.
Exactly.
There are some people, no matter the good you do to people, you will never get good in return. That's all my comment. It's true. We just have to be careful. Sure, Mami Abinanyako Abronoma is also watching. Nana said K. Coleman. Make sure and we on this area Obin Winifred is also watching. Your topic, you know, every na Nameboa Friday, the best saying Asia, our dear call live program. So now, say no, next week, but match or comments. Now, so the beachy watches, I'll bet me I embossing. What the bar, you better start about it. Amount. Much yammy, mammy, First Lady Mandy, our US Virginia, enemy papa each you come now up here. Any obibia or shayibia, because say Yami a shramo. Anyone will share, any more share in Yami a shambre. Today is our first time on Facebook Live, but I think say the way are more, you know, a very good. The interaction is very good here, I must say. Yabama add of 4 at share, obibia on person, much share, or mom for, or more one to the it's about more fancy.
Other 4 when Obio name media. I'm just saying, I'm just taking anybody who's in my life. I don't really have special people, but I just have one special person. You know yourself, that's all.
Excuse me.
Nobody
Who
knew.
is that?
Nobody
Like
knew.
serious.
Yes, yes, yes.
I don't
Okay, Muslim, I think me know a lot of mutual friends.
Yes.
It's more and more friends, more and more sissy friends, more and more sharing. I can't feel
Oh my God, this is crazy. That what you are.
Okay, first of all, make sure my lovely wife Helen Edu,
Oh.
my
That's
son
lovely.
Martin and Carlos and Doreen, and
But hold on. Then I was my detail.
oh,
That's already. That's
so
already.
many reasons.
And so, who can as a media person? Can I say the other columns?
Oh no, me dem share me new
Hey!
in Niamey, Simmons, Tomu. Oh, she's a one. And me share me pay. You know, I'm Obia who say, you know, people see me who I say yes from over. Are you married? I'm saying yes. Really? I say yes. I'm married with 3 kids. I go, what?
Oh.
And they don't believe it. You understand that? Yes, wifey, and Konano, Martin, Carlos, Doreen, and Mike. My friend offer, I'm friend offer. Into offer. So
Hey, let me see. Old Burger Ghana. Can you put me on your show around 15th and 16th July? Okay, sir. No problem. You can be on the show. Thanks so much. Nana Kunadu. Hey. Nana Kunadu Masema. Abasem. Nana G. Nana, thanks so much for messages. Yeah, I appreciate it. I see you guys rock. Love you guys. And we're waiting for you next week to be on the show as well. Aha, any day program no ABC. Medin Eddie Abnagana and
Daniel Edu of Magical Entertainment.
And Rose Gucci, CEO of Rose's Warehouse.
Keisha from Chikuto GH.
Okay, Auntie, obeti me as any comments, any views about Friday 7 to 8 o'clock. You better sign so when you be on share, Mr. Oko YouTube Abnaganes TV, right after here we are putting it on YouTube so you can watch it as well. Thanks so much, Obibia. And our person will sponsor program now. Get in touch and you ever bought I'm fine. But I'm not feeling my time for we will too much because more time and then mommy me come in life where I am today because of your evidence. Thank you so much and keep doing it more because it pushes me mommy what I love you all. I send back home and the baby say Yami woman a baby and Yamika say yes and nobody can say no. So whilst we are cheering to the show, we see you same time. Friday. Cheers. We love you guys. Bye.
Bye, haters.